Hey everyone! We are super excited to talk about Huawei's upcoming HarmonyOS Next. This new operating system is set to be a game changer for all Huawei smartphone users. It's not just an update, it's a significant leap forward in terms of technology and user experience. So, what exactly is HarmonyOS Next? Well, it's a native operating system designed to offer a seamless and enhanced user experience. With its improved performance upgrades, HarmonyOS Next aims to make your smartphone usage smoother and more efficient than ever before. Now let's talk about one of the standout features: extended cloud storage. This feature will be incredibly useful when you upgrade from HarmonyOS 4.2 to HarmonyOS Next. It will help you store backups and restore your data seamlessly after the upgrade, ensuring you don't lose any important information. You might be wondering if this cloud storage is temporary. Well, there's a possibility it could be. Remember the free storage service Huawei launched back in July 2023? It allowed users to store their data temporarily for 24 hours at no cost. This new feature might work similarly, offering a temporary solution to make your upgrade process hassle-free. Now, there's no concrete information on whether the cloud storage will be free or come under a special offer. But let's speculate a bit. Imagine if Huawei decides to offer this as a special deal. It could be incredibly beneficial for users during the upgrade process. Just think about it. Having that extra storage without any added cost could make the transition to HarmonyOS Next so much smoother. This temporary free cloud storage could really speed up upgrades. Users wouldn't have to worry about the cost of cloud storage or, the risk of data loss. It offers a significant convenience, especially for those looking to upgrade to HarmonyOS Next. No more headaches over running out of space or losing important files during the transition. Exciting news! The public beta is opening on October 8th. Selected devices like the Huawei Mate X5 foldable, the Mate 60 series, and the MatePad Pro will get early access. If you have one of these compatible devices, you should definitely consider testing out these new features. It's a great opportunity to get a first look and even provide feedback. So, what are your thoughts on HarmonyOS Next? Will you be upgrading? We'd love to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.